Ever feel overwhelmed by tight schedules at work? Just download our easy Gantt chart, input your data, and presto, you'll see an automated timeline of your project. You can filter by day or by week so that you can hone in on your most critical deadlines. Download at the link below. If you manage many projects, level up to our advanced Gantt chart, which organizes tasks by phase, highlights today's most urgent tasks, and can track up to an unlimited number of projects, so you can see the timelines for all your work ahead. For full-time project managers, get our Portfolio Manager, which adds a portfolio-wide dashboard, project-specific reports that can be drilled down for each project, the advanced Gantt chart, a Kanban board, and a calendar to help you maximize what matters. Like, subscribe, and download below.